two. That's our baked goulash. So first of all, I cooked a half a box of elbow macaroni here. I cooked it in olive oil with salt and pepper, and I just cooked that al dente. And in the same pan, I just dumped out the water, and in the same pan, I'm going to start by sauteing my onions and then my ground beef. Now, if you don't want to wait for the pasta to cook and use the same pan, just go ahead and get two pans going, one with the pasta and one you can be making the sauce in. You'll have more dishes, but it'll take less time. So I'm going to saute the onions off in olive oil with salt and pepper. And then I'm going to deglaze with a little bit of Worcestershire. And I'm also going to start browning off my ground beef in the same pot. So our hamburger's cooked off. I strained out the excess grease out of that. I'm going to add a can of condensed tomato soup in here. A half cup of milk. And a can of diced tomatoes in tomato juice. I'm going to toss back in our pasta after all this warms up. And I'm going to lay it out in the casserole, and I'm going to top it with the shred cheddar cheese mix. I'm going to save half this bag for the casserole and meal for, and half of it is for the goulash. I'm going to top it with the shredded cheddar cheese and some Italian breadcrumbs, and then we'll get it in the oven to bake. And I almost forgot, we're going to season it up with a little bit of paprika and a little bit of dill. And there is our baked goulash. I know it's just goulash, but that looks pretty good. And then while the goulash was baking, I just whipped up a little salad with the iceberg lettuce, tomatoes, and I had a little bit of cucumber left over. Meal 2, baked goulash. So this one is bin 21. All right, so we started meal 1 with our grilled chicken pita. So we made the cucumber, tomato, onion salad. We made our hummus. And then we grilled off some chicken, and we put that on the pita bread with the hummus, the grilled chicken, and the cucumber tomato salad. And then we just served that with some baked potato wedges. Meal 2, we moved into our Hungarian baked goulash. So we've got that casserole there of goulash, the hamburger and the tomato sauce, topped with cheddar cheese, breadcrumbs, baked till golden brown. And then I was going to serve that with a light salad, iceberg lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, whatever you have. Just a little salad, light salad with that. Meal 3, we moved back to our Mediterranean style food. And we did the garlic sauteed shrimp and eggplant with the cucumber tomato salad, the hummus, and the pita bread. And if you happen to have any potato wedges left over for meal 1, of course, you could always reheat those and throw those out for meal 3. And then our last meal, meal 4, was that delicious Spanish chicken and rice casserole. Served with the chips salsa, a little salad there as well with some salsa ranch on the side. Got that delicious casserole with the sauteed onions, green peppers, celery, chicken, salsa, Mexican rice. Smothered it in that shredded cheddar cheese and baked it. Some good stuff right there. Again, if you like what I'm doing, subscribe to my YouTube channel, become a member, hotmomsdinnerclub.com. Also, we've got our gift shop up and going. We got some great gift ideas, clothing, merchandise, or just a membership itself. So some great gift ideas on top of just great items for you as well. hotmomsdinnerclub.com. Bin 21. Thanks for joining me.